Hi and hello, I am ATHEENAPANDIAN here. Welcome to the ATHEENAPANDIAN channel once again. In this video, I am going to say some of the few points about practical knowledge is how far important for the biomedical engineers. Because we have a chance to meet most of the HRs in the biomedical core company, in the biomedical core field, especially Akash infusions, ultrasound, biomedical systems, okay, Apollo home care, like that. Tier 1, Tier 2 companies, Medtronic, Trevatron, then G Healthcare, Philips Healthcare, all the HRs I have a chance to meet to get a clarity about which are all the things actually required for you like that. Okay, so most of the HRs, almost 95% of the HR, they are expecting from the freshers biomedical engineers is practical knowledge. So how far the particular person is strong in the practical knowledge of handling the biomedical equipment, and how far the biomedical and the particular fresher know about the market, that is how to reach the market and how to sell the equipment and how to service the equipment in the market, like that the basic concepts they are expecting. So for the practical knowledge, what you are learning in the college is not actually required by the HR. What you are learning in the college, you are supposed to learn about the theoretical part of the equipment and demonstration part of the equipment. But actually, the human resource managers are expecting how the particular machine is functioning, how we are need to give the shoot once the troubles faces by the equipment. So all these particular things, the basic concept they are expecting. What are the major faults coming from this particular device? How we can able to replace it and how we can able to troubleshoot it? How we are dismantling the device? So what are the basic requirements needed once we are going for the dismantling of the device? So all these particular things actually they are required, and how we are make a dressing sense and how we are making the approach to the doctors. So these kind of the things they are expecting. They are not going to ask what is the principle of X-ray, what is the principle of this, and what is the components required, like that. All these are all the things actually we are studied over in theoretical part. That is also important. But HR people, they know that they are strong in theory part. So what are all the practical knowledge they have? They are going to check it. Once you are strong in a practical knowledge, then it is a very better way to enter into the multinational company. So on behalf of ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited, we have a chance to meet so many HR people. I am registered here. Most of the HR, they are expecting these concepts. And at the same time, how the hospital is running, how the particular hospital is totally belongs to the biomedical equipment, how we are going to approach the doctors to selling the equipment, to servicing the equipment, to give the demo to the doctors. These are all the concepts you can able to learn through the hospital training in the 4 years of biomedical engineering. So these particular thing, if you know, then you are eligible to get into place in Tier 1 or Tier 2 biomedical companies. That particular thing you just need to develop yourself. That particular thing you need to come out of the college to learn something, because the college is not possible to bring all the costliest equipment in the lab. So for you know about in this particular equipment, you need to come out and get a training in some other institute, in some other companies like that. Once you're getting that, then you can able to get placed in good companies. That is what we are trying to place so many freshers. That is what we are collecting the information, which are all actually the HR is expecting. We are supposed to do all the things in our campus. And that is a better way, that is the easiest way we can able to place all our training participants to the multinational companies. Okay, so this is what the concept required, my dears. So all the freshers, you need to alert. Now, freshers is not only the people, those who are completing the final years. Those who are studying the third years, those who are studying the second years are also considered as a fresher. So take the concept, because most of the companies, they are give their part-time jobs also. Those who are studying the third year also, some of the company, they are giving the job as a part-time. So during the time also you are considered as a fresher. So whatever the year you are studying, that is not matter. Practical knowledge, how far you can able to learn, you can get a job in the third years also. Okay, so thank you very much for this patience, and all the other details I got it in the description also. Kindly go through the website, our website www.atheenapandian.com frequently, and connect with us and get a knowledge and get placed through us. Thank you very much.